Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create tasks here in Microsoft Teams Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a task or tasks here in Microsoft Teams Planner is a straightforward process that can help you organize and track work efficiently within your team. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and there's going to be an option that says My Tasks. So these are going to be some of the options. You have the private task, assigned to you, and the flag emails. If you haven't already, you might want to click this option right here that says add a new task or add new task. If you click on it, you have the option to create a title. All right, so I'm going to put in some title here. You have the option to put in the due date, the priority if it's going to be like urgent, important, medium or low, and the progress as well. All right. Is it going to be not started, or is it in progress or already completed? And you want to have an option to take a quick look. You can edit these fields. If this is a little bit restricted, you might want to ask for your company or organization to have you have the access to edit it or have the permission for that. Now, as you can see, team members can assign tasks to you, and you can assign tasks to yourself to start tracking your work. Once you're done that, all you're going to do is click on save, all right? And basically, that's how you create a task here in Microsoft Teams Planner. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.